Hey, what's up? This is Scott with Level Up Tuts, and today I'm going to show you how to install a plugin that you've downloaded from somewhere else. Perhaps you have found this plugin on another website, somebody gave it to you, or basically you just need to install it and all you have is a folder that includes the files of your plugin. Well, we're going to be just downloading a plugin off of WordPress.org just so I can have one here, but if you have your plugin or you found one somewhere else or perhaps even on WordPress.org, you can follow along and install it manually. So to do so, I'm actually going to first need to download the plugin. I can do that off of WordPress.org with this big orange button, and it downloads a zip. Now, plugins are going to be a folder, and inside of this folder, basically a bunch of PHP files. We're going to get into more of the specifics later on in the advanced series when we show you how to build a plugin. But that's not for a little bit, and we're just going to show you how to install this. So now I have the Jetpack plugin that I've downloaded, and I have my WordPress site. Now, in my WordPress site, these are the standard files you're used to seeing. If your site is on a server somewhere, you're going to want to go ahead and FTP into your server and browse to your WordPress install. Now, from here, we want to go to WP-content, and then we want to go into plugins. Now, you'll notice we have some things already here. We have that hello, we have the Akismet, we have the Google Analytics, and we have this index.php, which we don't need to worry about. However, what this folder is lacking is our Jetpack plugin. What we want to go ahead and do is just simply drag that into our plugins folder. Now, if you are an FTP, sites on a server somewhere, of course you're going to want to upload this folder to this plugins folder that's within WP-content. So what's awesome about this is now that that plugin is in our folder, if we come to the back end of our site, we can now simply go to plugins, and it's going to show up in the list of our plugins. However, it's going to show up as not activated. Just like when we installed it from the interface, we're going to have to go ahead and click this activate button. Now, once we've activated, it's successfully activated, and we can come down and go to the settings. And now Jetpack is basically a bunch of utilities here to help you with your site, but we have now successfully activated Jetpack, and we can go ahead and add things like a carousel or sharing buttons. Let's go ahead and actually add these sharing buttons. Let's click activate on this sharing. Okay, now let's click configure, and awesome. So to here we just need to drag which services, and so maybe Facebook and Reddit are up top here, but maybe you want like Pinterest to be hidden behind a search button. Either way, this is what it's gonna look like. Perfect. And then we say we want these to show up on all posts. Save changes. Great. Now if we come to our site, let's go to a post. We now have our Facebook social buttons. So we have now successfully added some social buttons by manually installing Jetpack for WordPress in the same method that we would use to install any plugin manually. So as always, if you have any questions or comments, please leave a comment in the video. Hit us up on Facebook or Twitter. We also have the Level Up Tuts forum. And this might be a good time to point out that Level Up Tuts is, of course, a total labor of love. I just make these videos in my nights and weekends to help out anybody who could possibly need the help. So if you really like Level Up Tuts and you want to give back, there are ways you can do that on the leveluptuts.com. We have a page at /donations, and you of course could just drop us a couple bucks here, or you could flatter us, whatever. Actually, there's even going to be some more exciting ways to thank us later this month or /next month. That of course more information will be revealed soon, but if you just can't wait and you want to donate, go ahead and do that. I will not stop you. So as always, this is Scott with Level Up Tuts, and thanks for watching. Bye.